I believe every painting that you ever paint is for someone specifically. Good sir.
Wait a minute. I don't want to be interviewed.
Okay, we're here. It is time. Who is the person? Who is the one that we're here for? It's not really an interview so much as I'm an artist.
I'm in the witness protection program.
Oh, are you really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Don't. We won't bother you. I'm sorry. Hey, quick question. So I'm an artist. I know there's somebody here that I meant to paint a painting for, and I'm wondering if it's you guys. You tell me what you want. If you had a photograph that you wanted me to paint, I could do that. Like, honestly, the world is an oyster. Is that what they say? Or I don't know.
Oil paint?
Acrylic painter. That's my dad's
cool.
painting. Yeah.
Wow.
If you give me an hour and a half, I'll be done.
Our dad, Mom's husband, died a year ago today. And this was one of his favorite places. The farm's been in the family to his grandfather's generation.
Yeah.
And so we just came up to walk around and think about
And
him.
honor your dad.
Yeah.
Well, I'd be incredibly honored to be able to do that. Like, I can't fake my emotion, but like that means something to me. And when I paint a custom painting for somebody and I know why I'm painting it, it makes it very special, for real.
Let's do it.
They just met me. They trust me enough to bring me over, which is incredible. This obviously means a lot to them because it's the anniversary of their dad dying, the husband dying. It's just super special to me that they're allowing me to do this.
That teeny little house
Okay, yeah.
is ours. And then all the land from there out to the water.
His grandfather, Victor Elfino was his name, bought this property just during the Depression. So around 1920s.
Wow.
Yeah.
He and his buddies, he had partners, and they bought it to come up here and play cards.
He lived in Seattle.
Seattle. Then the flyways changed here, irrigated all of eastern Washington, and the duck cutting wasn't so great anymore. So his friend said we should sell it, and he bought them out.
It's okay too. Like if we get arrested or something, we'll just call you
Talk
to
your
bail
way
us
out.
out.
Okay. Don't say, never heard of him.
Yeah. Collect call from a Jed Dorsey.
No.
I've never heard of him. Don't know anything. Okay. Well, awesome. I'm happy. I feel like giving you guys hugs. Is that okay? Like, I don't know if you guys know me well enough,
Sure,
but
man.
yeah, I know it's super cool to meet you all. And
You're doing a lot of
yeah,
hugging.
yeah, yeah.
Thank you for approaching us.
Oh man, no, it's so
It meant
neat.
something to us. So.
Well, I'm so glad.
See whatever you got by tonight. It doesn't have to be done. Whatever,
Yes,
Wherever
I
you
will
are.
send you wherever I'm at the end of the night. This is the view that Nancy said that she thought would be kind of good looking over this way at the house. The only thing that I'm a little bit worried about right now is if these clouds turn into rain. Hopefully they don't. We'll have a good solid hour and a half or 2 hours that I can be here and paint. We'll turn out something amazing for Vic Sr. So I was so excited to get going. The day was turning out to be pretty nice, but it became even more glorious. I mean, the sky was lit up and the clouds were rolling over the top, and we had this beautiful view of a gorgeous farm with this really cute cabin there, which had been in the family for so long and meant so much. And as I'm there, it just became more gorgeous of a day, and the sun was shining through the clouds, and it felt like God had just opened up the heavens, and it was a really magical moment there as I'm painting, and you can see how beautiful the light was as it's shining down upon us. And I'm having a great time, but I hear a voice behind me, and someone is quite concerned because I didn't realize, but I'd parked on their property. But we had a short conversation, and she was very kind about it all. However, when I went back to my easel, I discovered this. Okay, we just realized that I had an alarm on my phone. I had an alarm and it shut off everything. So we missed a large chunk of the process here, which is unfortunate, but I was having so much fun. The sun was shining. It was directly shining on the house, and there was this gorgeous, just gorgeous light hitting the house and all the land and the fields in front. So we will carry on. And that's what I did. I just tried to capture this moment on this very special day, adjusting colors slightly here and there, trying to capture that radiant light shining down, the silver lining on the clouds, the way that it was just touching the tops of the roofs and the trees and reflecting off of the ground. And this, again, magical moment in a day that started out with a different intention, but I realized like this was the purpose. This was the real reason that I went out that day to paint. It wasn't to challenge myself. It was because there was a family I was supposed to meet. And then there is the scene. I love it. I think that this is gorgeous. I think that this captured the scene today too, which is really cool because the way that the sunlight was coming through was glorious, and it really just made the scene light up. I think that that was captured in this painting. I couldn't be happier with it, to be honest. And I'm excited to show them tonight when I send them the picture. When we met them, we realized like we were meant to find these people. I was meant to paint this painting for them. I believe art is a gift. Sometimes you just go, this was meant to be. Vic, Nancy, and Sarah. Here it is.